wanted to show something very important for those of you that have faith and for those of you that really want to learn things. And I've been sick lately, but I'm feeling better. So I wanted to show something that I've been doing, and I believe that that has worked and it's been working on my body. I'm very healthy eating and I eat healthy. I have a healthy lifestyle, but we also get sick. That's a fact of life. So I learned this thing not too long ago, which I'm gonna make today, and I'm going you to see and you just try it out. I mean, there's nothing. It's a very simple thing to do, and it's called a homeopathic vaccine. I know a lot of you seems like that's weird, but it has worked for me. I believe that's what's giving me back my health. Beginning, I'm in the process of getting better, but I believe this is a big part of it. So I'm going to show you how to do a homeopathic vaccine. Okay, homeopathic vaccine is any of your fluids from your nose, your mouth, your urine, or your blood. But it's very hard for you to get blood right now. I mean, by yourself. So in the urine, a lot of people are not. Even though I have a video how to do it with the urine on my channel, a lot of people are very skeptical about urine. But saliva, saliva, you can make it with saliva. Okay, this is the more you get it from the body, like not only like this spitting on a cup, but kind of got to like all the phlegm out. So try to get it from the phlegm. So this is what you're gonna need. I know it sounds disgusting, but it's really not, because we're gonna dilute it with alcohol. So you're gonna get 3 millimeters, milliliters of phlegm. It's about this much, okay? And then you're going to need alcohol. You're gonna need vodka. You're gonna need tequila, or you're gonna need mezcal, or other alcohol, but mostly vodka and tequila. So if you want tequila, vodka, that's fine. So you're gonna mix it. The vodka comes in 40%. So you need to reduce it to 10%. How do you do that? You take 1 part of the vodka and 3 parts of water. So I already did the math for you. So you're gonna need. So I'm gonna take one of this, pickle, whatever, real clean. I already put it in boiling water, so to disinfect and everything. So you're gonna need 1 part of alcohol, which is, let's see, you need. I'm sorry. Let me tell you what you need. You need 6 of these. Okay, 6 of these. Okay, glass. And if you don't have, I only have 5, so I'm gonna make one in one of these. It has to be glass. It cannot be a plastic. So 6 of these. I only have 5, but I'm gonna use a clean, disinfected. You put it in boiling water to get it real good. So I already did the math for you. So you need, this is a 30 millimeter bottle, so you need 27 on each, and then 3 of this. But I'll show you how to do it. So so you need 27. So I did the math for you already. So you're gonna need 120 mils of water and 40 mils of the vodka to get it to 10%. Okay, so I already did it here, and I already filled some of my my containers, my little bottles. So I'm gonna just fill the last two. About it's about 25. It's gonna be 27. So you're gonna pour it in here. It's almost full. It's almost full. So because I know it's almost full, if you can see, it's almost to the top. So I'm just gonna eyeball it really, but do it precisely. 27. Let's see, 27. Okay, that's 27. So you're gonna need 27, 27. I didn't bring my cup. I'm gonna use this. So in the last one, I'm gonna put 27 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 6. I think I filled them wrong. Hold on. I filled this too much. Yeah, it's about this much. Sorry. It's to be 6. Yeah, there you go. I filled this one too much. So anyway, you're gonna do this. You're gonna fill them up for 27 mils. Okay, that's about it. I think these are good. That's 20. I need a little bit of this. Okay, so you're gonna fill it up. I hope you understand what homeopathic remedies are. It says whatever makes you sick is gonna cure you. So that's why you're doing a vaccine. Okay, that's about 25. Hold on. So anyway, you are going to, okay, I think that's it. So this is my last one. So you're gonna pour in here if you don't have, but it's better to get these. You use them for other things. You're not gonna use them for all this. So, okay, so here you go. So you're gonna take your spit in one of the glasses. Let's start with this one. Let me put my camera here. Okay. So you're gonna start with this one. Now you're gonna take just once this, the 3 mils. I already know there's 3 mils, so I don't have to use this. So I already have. So you are going to pour it in here. My spit, I know it's disgusting to a lot of people, but right here in your spit, it has all, you know, if you're sick, if you have cancer, it's in here. If you have diabetes, it's in here. All your everything is in here. All your codes, you know. I'm sorry, my English is I'm trying to translate it from Spanish to English, but your codes of your DNA, everything is in here. So you're gonna pour your spit right there. Now you're gonna, let's put this away. Now you're gonna shake this, and not only shake it, but you're gonna go like this 200 times, okay? Now you're gonna do this 200 times, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I don't wanna make this video this long, and well, let me just do it, and I'm gonna speed up the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, that's 60, 51, 62, 60, 30, that's 70 right there, and another 31, 2. What happens right here? I don't want to speak while I'm doing this, but 80, 1, 2. So you're gonna do 200 of these on each bottle, okay? But I'm gonna show you at least on the first one, and then I can end the video. I don't have to go through it. So you're gonna do 200 of these, 130. You know, in homeopathic remedies, they have machines to do that, but hey, who needs the machine when you have your hands? So you're gonna do this. 150. 30, 170. You get the idea. I got almost over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm not gonna do it at all. Okay, what are you gonna do to each bottle? So you're gonna take, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you, you're gonna put number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 4, number 6. You're gonna put 6 numbers right here. I'm not gonna do it because I'm just getting this. So you're gonna take the eyedropper, or you don't, if you don't have, like if you're doing glasses like this, so take one of these. You're gonna take 3 mils, okay? I have to use this one. 3 mils out of this one, sorry, the one that you shook. So 3 mils. about 3 mils. Let's try. I'm gonna take 3 mils of this to this one. Okay, that's 3 mils. Okay, so you're gonna get 3 mils of this, and this you can discard this. You already have all your information right here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna shake this one 200 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm not gonna go through because of the video be too long. So you're gonna do this 200 times. So I'm gonna stop right here because I'm gonna do it, not on the video. So you're gonna do 200 shakes. You're gonna take 3 mils out of this one. This one you can discard, the one that has already, you can discard. So 3 mils to the third one. This, after you're done the shaking of 200, you're gonna discard this. And then from here, you're gonna go 3 mils, you're gonna shake 200. From this, discard this one. From this, you're gonna take 3 mils, add it to the fourth. Remember, you have to put numbers on it just so you don't get confused. So from this, you get 3 mils, shake it 200 times. From this, you get 200, you made, the same thing, sorry. And then, okay, the last one, you're gonna shake 200 times. This is your vaccine. Okay, this is, I'm not gonna just do it, but this is gonna be your vaccine. Now you're gonna put your name, okay? You're gonna put your name. And if you're gonna do it for some of the other members of your family, then go ahead and do their names. This is the vaccine. This is for 1 month. Okay, so I'm gonna explain real quick because I don't want this video to be so long. So what you're going to do, I'm just gonna take mine so I don't forget which one it is. Okay, so I'm gonna finish once I finish the video. So with this, you're gonna go 10 drops if you're real thin. Let's say if you're up to 120 pounds, you're gonna do 10 drops 3 times a day. If you weigh more than 120, let's say 130 to 200 pounds, then you're gonna do 15 drops. If you're a little overweight, let's say 190 pounds to, they're gonna do 20 drops. So 10 for a real skinny person. I take 15 because I'm like medium. So 15 drops 3 times a day, and if you're a little bit heavier, then 20 drops 3 times a day, and you're gonna finish this bottle. Now this is your vaccine. It's gonna help you with a lot of the disease that you have or might have, because sometimes we don't know if sometimes we don't know if we have. But this is so excellent, and you can do this every 3 months. You can do mostly every 3 months. Like you will take a vaccine like every year, but I would do every 3 months, or I would do 2 times a year, like a vaccine. Just treat it as like a vaccine that you take like once a year, like the flu vaccine. Now you can do this, like I said, you can do this with the urine, you can do it with the blood, but I just seems very easier to get it with the saliva. And remember, you have to get as much as phlegm as you can, not only just the mouth. And I hope it helps. I hope you get cured. I feel better doing this, and it's probably the only thing that really got me. This and the urine therapy has helped me a lot. So I hope you try it and do it with the urine too. You can do it every 3 months with the saliva, then the next time you do with the urine, the same amount, the same thing. And then later you can do it with the blood if you can get, a little bit of blood, 3 mils of blood. I don't know if you can get it, but let's say that your daughter is a nurse, so can get some blood, but it's easier just to do with the urine and with this. So I hope it helps, and I hope you learned something new. So I know I don't have many subscribers or anything, but I want to share all my things that I have learned through the years of natural therapies. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.